Hey guys, Siddharth here from SKFT Tech, and this is my hands-on review on the convertible laptop bag. So this bag is from Herman Hassan. So it's a company from Norway, as the tag says. It's a company from the Norway side. Okay, most of you have not learned about the bag itself. Actually, I also heard about the bag when I got it from the airport. So that's the thing. And removing this, and this says it's a convert it to a backpack and a shoulder bag, and it's a carry bag also. So it's three things at once. That's a nice thing. Also, the MRP on the MRP here is 5,000 rupees, but I got it for around 999, and you can also buy it from the shopclues.com, which will give you at around 1,300 rupees. So it has a lot of chains itself. So let's see. Here is the first chain. Here's the branding. Okay, it's a texturized thingy. It's a rubber thingy, and it's completely waterproof bag. So that's good. And the compartments looks good. Okay, it's done. And here is another compartment for your little stuff. Like here are a bit more compartments here. You can keep the pens, and here you can keep some important documents inside. And it's a good space there. It's a normal space, nothing good. And that's it. After that, here you can see, as I told you, it's a carry bag also. So here you can carry it by here, and another strap is over there. So it helps you to carry the bag easily. Okay, and after that, the back, here is another chain for your backpack. Here your backpack compartment reveals. So as you can see, here is the lock thingy is completely out. Okay, I'll tell you how to lock it. Here are two of these. It's branding over here. So you can see here it's a space. Let me just pull it out to reveal the compartment. So earlier, as I showed you, this thing puts in this, and here's your bag, strap-on bag. That's a good thing. And here's another thing to carry your backpack itself. After that, here's the main compartment, and the chains on here is pretty smooth. I like it. And here you can put your maybe files, maybe your textbooks, etc. And here is another another strap to just carry like a normal bag on your side bag strap. So you can do this, and here it pulls out to a carry bag strap. Okay, that's another thing. And after revealing the first compartment, there's a second compartment for your books and stuff. And here is silica gel. You should not eat this. Haha. Okay. And here is the compartment for the laptop itself. The blue thing you see here, it's the foam padding, and it is very helpful when you are outside and your bag touches or sometimes drops. So it helps to protect the laptop itself. So the padding is good, I'll say good. But if the padding should be all over the place, here is a hard foam, but not the padding itself. It's the padding in the middle itself, so that the most of the impact, it's good, but not for the all. And you can keep the bag. It's like a velcro, and just done it. So that was my hands-on review for the product itself. It's a good product, and for the pricing, it's good. It's for the pricing, it's decent. The company has done a decent job for the pricing itself. I mean, 5,000 rupees for this, comparatively 999 rupees. So you can get this for around 999 rupees from AVA stores. No brand endorsement, but you can get it around 39 rupees from the shopclues.com. And for that price, it is awesome sale. Okay, thank you guys. This is Siddharth. You guys take care.